This is going to be a quick get ready with me video, and here's my outfit. You might be wondering why I'm putting on all black. Yeah, I love black and it should be obvious now. So here I'm trying to decide if I want it this way without the rope or with the rope. So I ended up making use of it with the rope, and this is how it looked like. So this is how it looks like. The next thing I did was put on my jewelry. So I made use of this neck piece. If you haven't been following me, you should now. This is a DIY neck piece, and my sister made this. I guess she learned well from me because my page is mainly about DIY and lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. The next thing I did was fix my hijab. So I made use of this pin to pin one side of my hijab to the other side, and here I'm just adjusting it to my preference. And that's it for the hijab styling or the scarf styling. So the next thing I did was to put on this magnetic bracelet and the beaded one, and here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it just like I did. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and hope to see you in my next video.